Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of TapLab, and in this video we're going to do a tutorial on how to get Instagram highlights. So we're currently on the Instagram app. We need to swipe over, and then on the bottom of the screen we can go to our profile section in the very bottom right corner. And you can see that I have some highlights, these circle rings, and you'll see a lot of profiles have these. The thing is that they keep updating the profile screen or the bio screen. So this screen right here looks a little bit different for everyone. You know, they test new ones, they update it. So some people don't have highlights showing, some people do. I have some just because I've created it in the past. But if you don't have this little new circle here on the middle left side of the screen, what you need to do is tap the three lines in the top right corner, and then you can tap on archive. This is going to bring you to an archive of all of your Instagram story posts. So the first thing that people are going to ask is, can I just upload a highlight from my camera roll or whatever? The answer is no. You have to create your highlights through Instagram stories. So every Instagram story post that you create will come here to your archive, and then you can create highlights from your archives. So in order to create a new one, if you've never created one before and you don't have this circle here on your biography screen, you need to tap the three lines in the top right, go to archive, tap the three lines in the top right again, and then go to create highlight. And then this is going to allow you to select the Instagram story posts that you want. So I could select like this one, this one, this one, hit next. And we can edit our cover photo as well. So I could pick this cover photo, move this around, I could zoom in, make this however I want it, hit done. And then we can add a title right here. So I'm just going to name it new. And then we need to hit add in the top right corner. Bam, that's added a new Instagram highlight. Once you have these highlights here, these circles, you can hold down on the circle and that's going to bring up a little menu. And then you can edit the highlights or delete them. You can even share them now with the copy highlight link if you want to. I'm just going to delete this new one. Delete. And there you have a quick overview of how to create Instagram highlights, even on the new profile layout where some people may not have these circles appearing yet. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, drop a like on this video, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last, so go hard.